Guys, today we are going to show you this super duper really cool toy, liquid reactor super lab by Learning Resources. Okay.
How to do it?
Then you gotta make sure you lock it. Come on, let's do it together. Whip. Second one to me, look. Water is coming, look. Wait. What?
It's all over here.
Wait. Ready? Steady.
Ready?
Wait.
What's this noise?
Wait, look how small egg is. You see?
What is it?
I don't know. Something is in there. You see black thing? Bah!
What's this?
Can you open it?
That's a buggy.
That's a buggy.
Yeah, he's so cute.
Let me see.
He's a little one.
Oh, you're so cute. So you want to put another one right away?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Is it too big?
Yes.
Wait.
Oh, what? It's purple. So yummy, like strawberry. He's like a buggy. When buggies have 3 eyes, you gotta have 5 eyes with the birdies have the nose have a birdie have 5 eyes.
Yum 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 yum.
You put it in.
Wait.
Let me see.
Freezy.
Freezy.
Yeah, he's freezing.
I sneezing, and all the minutes are sneezing.
Achoo! Mushy, slushy, cold and wet snowsuit sun's boot. Is it over?
Achoo!
Achoo!
Louder.
Louder? Achoo!
Achoo!
That's loud. Okay, let's mix up colors. Yeah? Okay. Yellow and blue food coloring.
See, Lalo?
Not a lot, that's enough. Thank you. Okay, so now mix your blue one.
It's blue!
Ready, steady, press. It's mixing up.
It's green!
It's green.
Oh, I said purple and green! Okay! Hey! This is my house. This? Oh, yes. That's my house. I live there.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what colors we're gonna use?
Green and purple.
Green and purple?
There'll be a lot.
I think that's gonna be like brown or dirty black or something, да?
And It's purple and green.
Dirty green?
Yeah. I miss you. I just love you guys.
After experiment is done, Mila is washing everything in the sink. Good job, Mimi. Mila. Mila, I'm so proud of you.